So traders, to start off this market update for you today, I want to start off with this presentation here for you. And then I'm going to get into this market update here. But one thing that really helps me with me and my private clients with trading these markets here, and is I have this actual presentation here or this PowerPoint here. One of the things that's really helps me in my own personal trading, and I really want to guide you down this right path here, is the thing for me is that there's nothing new underneath the planet, right? There's absolutely nothing new. What I mean by that is that when you start to recognize that there are patterns out there, when you recognize these patterns, you have a high probability of making a really nice profit, right? Now, what I mean by that is that there are patterns out there, right? Like, for example, there are many trades that I've taken across the markets that have what I call the channel type of trade, right? Like, here's the different things here. And this is something that I really want to share with you here before we get into the market updates here. What are you looking for in a good setup? Okay, that's the number one thing for you. If you want to be successful in the markets, here's the number one thing you need to know. Do you actually even have a trading setup, a trading plan that actually helps you identify a good setup in the first place? Then, do you have a setup? Then on top of that, do you know a setup that actually is likely to make a big move? Like, for example, okay, I'll give you an example. I'm in a trade right now that is this here. Not by luck, right? It's actually called this channel trade. See this? It's called channel trades. And channel trades are the exact same thing. See how there's a channel and there's a trade. See the channel, then there's a trade. Now, I'm not going to go to the full detail of the actual setup and so on and so forth, but I'm trying to show you these channel trades are the exact same type of setup again and again and again. This is a screenshot back in 2007, right? Again and again and again. This is what's called. This is a screenshot here, right? Going through all this. This is a screenshot going back into the 2003. The reason I'm showing this here is what's called, this is the channel trade. There's a channel here. Channel trade, channel trade, channel trade, right? So I'm going through this fast here for you right now. The channel trade is the exact same thing every single time. And what am I looking for? Here's a template here. Take a screenshot of it. I don't care. This is what I'm looking for in a bullish setup here. This is the entry point here. This is the entry point here. This is the channel trade. When I see this channel trade, it has a high probability of making a really big move. This is the reason why. If you know my gold trade last year, right? That made 500% return. Guess what? You know what? You see what I'm saying here, right? It's like, this works again and again and again. Channel trade, right? I'll give you an example, like RBLX. Channel trade, right? Let me just bring this up to here for a minute. Bring this up with all this here. This here was a channel trade. It's all the same thing, right, guys? Look at this here. Roblox. Why is Roblox having such a massive move? Because what? Because it was there's the channel. Then we broke out. We had a little bit of a pullback and having a big move, right? So it's so important for you guys. So important. The start of this session for you guys is to know what you're looking for in a high quality, powerful setup. Because once you start to identify these setups and you know how to identify them, that's when things can change, right? Now, it's like, John, teach me what the channel trade is. I'm showing you what to look for. This is what I'm looking for. I just show it in a bearish setup and a bullish setup, right? Once you start to see this, then you'll be able to start to identify and crush it even more in the markets, right? And this is and the reason why I'm saying this here is because you need, this is the Roblox trade here, right? Channel trade, look at this here. Channel trade, channel. So the purpose of me saying this here is for you guys. If you're trading the markets today, right? If you're getting involved with the markets today and you have no plan, you're getting in based off an idea. You're looking at this YouTube video right now because you're trying to find a tip. Give me the idea, John, that the stock market's definitely going to do this, and then I'm going to trade this here. You are a moron, right? You're not serious about becoming a good trader, right? What is a good trader? I'm showing you what this a good trader is. The reason why I do well out of trading doesn't mean I don't have my losses, but it's because I know what I'm looking for, because the same things form again and again, whether it's a 5-minute chart, 2-minute chart, so on and so forth, right? Channel, trade. See the channel? No, John, I can't see the channel. Channel, right? Trade. See the channel right there? You see it there? What is that? So it's a channel and it's a trade, right? Now, it's two things for me, right? Two things for me. The reason I'm saying this to you guys is you guys are guessing and hoping and wishing and praying and, oh my goodness, watching YouTube video, trying to find the idea and the quick tip and this little idea, and you have no foundation. You don't want to be successful in the markets, right? You don't want to be successful in the markets. You just want to hope and guess and wish, right? Oh, I'm going to get into it right now. Look at this here. A channel trade for me is we have a channel, then I have my trading setup here. It's a channel and then my trading setup. That's what makes it so successful, right? I'm showing you example after example. Here's another example here. What is this? Oh my goodness. What do we have? There's the channel, there's the trade, and there's the big move, right? Channel trade, channel trade, channel trade. These channel trades have the potential making really big moves. Here's 4 examples here, right? This is a daily stock chart. Daily stock chart. This one here is a 2-minute chart on the futures, and this is a 2-minute chart on the foreign exchange markets. It's all the same thing. All the same thing. Right? So if you are not getting ahead in the markets right now, if you are struggling right now in the trading, I promise you, it's because you don't even know what to look for. Right? You're out there guessing, wishing, washing. So you got 2 things here right now. Firstly, invest in someone who actually you believe in and you want to go down that path, right? And get them to teach you this stuff. It's not about being lucky. It's not about being right. So most of you guys in the chat box are just completely have it all wrong, right? You're watching YouTube videos to say, I'm looking for this to get the next idea. What's the next idea? No, you don't need an idea. You need a trading pattern that when it appears, it can make you a big profit. I'm showing you again, and again, and again. By the way, this trade up here, do you know this trade up here made eventually 900% return? I picked up about 500% return that. Roblox trade, remember Roblox trade? That picked up a 200% return. That was at the start of the year. I'm in a trade right now. I can't show you this trade, but I'm in a trade right now. That's at 200% return. Using the same thing. Why are you guys missing out on this stuff? Your ignorance around getting proper coaching and proper guidance is costing you hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars in the markets. And I'm starting this off here right now because I am so... The whole thing about this whole YouTube thing here, right? You guys come onto the YouTube channel. You guys follow people on YouTube because you got it wrong and you got it right and you have no idea what he's talking about and blah, 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 blah. Well, do you know what right and wrong is? Right and wrong. Me doing a YouTube video, market update, what I'm going to do for you in just a minute, is just my opinion. Right? Right and wrong is about what? Right and wrong is, do you actually follow a trading setup every time? Because it's the same thing. Nothing's new. If you want to make money for the rest of your life out of the markets, follow a trading plan consistently, right? So I have trading setups again and again and again through all of here, right? This is the trade I did back in 2000. Look at this here. Remember I said before, guys, what did I say before? Look at this here, right? For me, my thing is this. What are you looking for in a setup that has the potential of making a big move? And by the way, it's not new every time. It's the same thing every time, right? It's not new. Every time I go to the markets, I'm looking for the same type of pattern. Why? Because the same trade I did on Roblox is the same trade is like right here. Where is that? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Looking for you. Where did it go? Trying to find you. Here, right? It's the same trade here. Look at this here. Roblox, maybe 200% return. Look at this here. Channel. Big move down. Look at this here. Options were about, what's that? 25 cents, and they eventually got up to about $1.50 or so up here. Right? Now, I didn't capitalize on the move, all that move from there, but I'm trying to show you, right? Channel trades, it's the same thing every time. Wouldn't you like to be able to wouldn't you be able to have the confidence to say, okay, what I'm trading right now is going to crush it for the rest of my life? Because the same setup here that I'm showing you right now here, 2023, is the same setup I did on Roblox, and it's the same trade I'm in right now, as I do for you right now. Right? That is up to 100% return. Right? And I'm in a trade right now that's the exact same thing. So for you guys, you actually want to become really good at trading. It's not about, let me watch these YouTube videos to try to find the next idea, the quick tip. No. What's the pattern? Forget inflation. Forget this guy doesn't do macroeconomics. Really? Show me your trading equity curve of you trading macroeconomics, and I promise you, it's red the entire year. Right? I'm trying to show you what to do here. Anyway, market update time. Let's get into market updates. So, right? We don't need any of this shit, guys. It's just, You guys, again, I'm trying to show you here, right? Some of you guys are blowing up your accounts all the time, and I'm carrying it to one thing. Every single time you look at the market, it's something new. It's a new indicator. It's a new idea. It's a new tip. It's a new YouTube video idea. It's like, stop it. Every time I'm looking at the markets, it's the same thing. Why? Because most of them produce the same result, and that's big profits. So we need to just wait for that, right? Now, hey traders, just a quick heads up. I'm actually giving away free access to my Mastery Trading course for a limited time. If you go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be the first link in the description. The fact is that 80 to 90% of the stuff that you learn or you use on these trading platforms is a complete waste of time. And only about 5 to 10% of the stuff that you actually learn and use is going to move the needle in the positive direction for you. And that's over the last 20 years, I've put everything that has helped me move the needle in the positive direction in this here, and I've left everything else out. So, go to johnsfreegift.com right now and grab complete free access to this Mastery Trading course. Let me go into my market update for you guys, right? Since I've given you that through there. So with the market update right now, guys, right now we are just holding here right now. I don't believe we're going to do too much for the next couple of months. I believe we're just going to continue holding here. We can see that we did come down through to here, and we're just holding here. So really not much going on. One thing I do see is we had this high up here, and then we have this next level through here. So for you guys that intraday trade, like 15 minutes and stuff like that, maybe even a 5-minute chart, there could be something coming up soon from here, right? We could be getting a breakout here soon, and then potentially a move back up from there. So that's what I'm seeing there overall right now, guys. But there's still a massive warning sign across these markets. Massive warning sign is this. Let me go to this weekly chart here. Right, this is the weekly chart. And it's still like, even if we do get more upside here right now initially, it's not ready for a big bull move, right? We're not ready for an extraordinary. I do see this thing maybe going to new highs. Maybe, there you go, maybe, right? But here's the thing. We're not ready for a big move up. Look at the 24, put one moving average on here. When we go through big bull moves, the moving average is trending up. Big bull move, trending up. Big bull move. Are we trending up or are we trending down? So even if we do have a little bit more upside, it's not going to be a big move, right? We need a bit of a herky-jerky volatility moment corrections out of the markets, right? We see that with the Dow Jones. We see this with the NASDAQ as well too. Move up, move down. Once again, big bull moves come when we have the moving average trending up. Look at the moving average. So we may be going through a flattening period, but we're definitely not ready to go for a big bull move. Because big bull moves, you see that through there, right? So, same with the S&P. It's all the same thing. So we are not ready for a big bull move. Look at all this here. We're actually going down through here. Something's just not right. Underneath the surface, guys, something's not right. And the market's telling us something's not right here. I wouldn't be too surprised to see this thing start to come down a little bit more, right? Because we're holding here, but man, something's not right. Look at the market, right? Look at the patterns. The patterns are saying this here. Moving on now through to silver, and silver on the daily charts. This is the daily charts here. Really not what's going on with silver. Silver's still holding this level through here, up through that level around the $34 level from there. And man, it is just really holding there quite nicely. If we go to the weekly charts once again, those weekly charts, once again, if we do start to break this high up here, silver could be getting ready for a nice move up. Looking at the gold price, gold is still just holding here right now. Lots of volatility with the gold market, right? Lots and lots of volatility. You try to trade. This is the time to be out of it. If you're trying to trade a market with this here, these phases through here, this here and this here, you stay away from it, right? Because you're getting chewed up. Is it going down? Is it going up? No, you're getting chewed up, right? Chewed up big time from here, right? So then also, what I want to share with you is this. I also want to share with you with oil, right? Oil is still really shaping up for something really big from here. So we're right here, right? Look at this here with oil. Oil is definitely just something huge, right? Something huge. Looking at oil from here, we're still holding down through here. So we are starting to pick up through here on the daily charts. Right, we are still starting to pick up a little bit here on the daily charts. If I bring up my moving averages here, this is my 52. If this is true, we are having a little rally here. If this is true, we're getting this level through here, and we're getting this level from here, right? If this is true, then we're probably going to have a nice move to come out of this level. This breakdown here, hold. If we hold here and we start to break down, man, if this is true, complete collapse coming out of that level from here. And also, onto the platinum market here, the one that I mentioned to you guys a while ago. Look what's happened here with the platinum market just recently. What happened? Came all the way down and now it's bouncing off. So we're not out of the woodworks yet, but this is probably going to be the start of a nice move to come. We actually got the breakout. We come back down. If platinum starts to break above this 1,000 level, then we're probably going to have a nice move back up towards those highs up here, which will be around about, let's go down to the weekly charts to find this level. And platinum is probably going to start to make its way up to around the 1,400 level, that 1,300, 1,400. I believe this is this little movement through here. And what's happening here on this one here, if this little breakout to the upside is just probably starting a new trend, because what happens here is this: we tend to go sideways, no trend, we break out, higher high, comes down, makes a higher low, and then we start to do this here. This higher high, higher low is the start, and I believe we're at this point here right now, getting ready to go.